Only my brethren, you know. Only my brethren.
Only shot men.
Shot men. Only shot men. Now we off. That's the famous Jolly Roger right there. This man don't like feet. Touch it! Dude, what the hell are these though?
You talking about my foot, right? But look at he toes, big man.
Look at my toes, dog.
Look at my joints. Each one of the smaller big man. Each one of the smaller.
That is not natural.
Dog, you let him walk my fish fingers, dog. Yeah, it was so
I didn't drop on the other one to even it out. Are you looking at me? Looking at the two knots that you got there? Look like a gorilla biscuit. What do you look? That knot and that knot.
Julian, what are you doing?
I'm doing fantabulous, you know.
I asked you, what are you doing?
Oh, what am I doing?
Yes.
I'm sorting out the GoPro because we're going to get some underwater shots right now.
Yeah. Let me see camera.
I drop this right from the forehead. You know?
Yeah, great too. Come on, you borrow no.
Yeah, you look sexy. Yes. Give me a twirl. Give me a twirl, yeah. Hey, yes, boo boo.
Alright, so going snorkeling. Everybody else is out. It's time for me to go.
Yes.
Wait.
You're gonna lay up on here, right?
Fall which?
That's
Nah, you good.
Wait, on like a pamper.
You can fall.
Over here we have the Dryland Tourist 1, Dryland Tourist 2.
And he half a half.
And he half a half. This man was surviving. Pass that, give me Jay. This was the only thing saving saving CJ's life.
You should be proud of yourself. You did it, CJ. He is less of a land lover now. Proud of you. Last time that was embarrassing.
I was on scheme.
You're back.
The can is your
This was the only thing saving this man's life though. No life.
Candy like jacket.
Yeah. He was going to die.
for the bright.
Watch it hot girl them. Yeah. Zoom in on it. Yes. Yes. Get your pose. Yes.
And dry. Dry like a carpet.
Live on a cruise and dry. Popcorn are the only one. What if we could be another summer memory? Would you stay with me? Wine for this back, girl.
I can't hide every day. Can't hide every day.
Okay, so that good?
This thing is life. Life. Banana bread.
Buy some banana bread.
In our situation, we hold certain things, whether me or depending on what the situation is.
Just say you look beat. Just say you look beat out now.
I know, right?
Crystal is the cute girl where you have on your yacht that just dip on her phone and just pose and take pictures and all that stuff. That's what she is there.
Do that again.
That's what she is. She's just a cute girl on the boat that no man on the boat can touch but the owner.
Mama right.
Only my brethren, you know. Only my brethren.
Only shot men.
Shot men. Only shot men. Yeah. Yeah. Fresh.
Busy whole boat, fam.
Mr. Hook. Captain Shopman has arrived. How do we got a bridge like that? Yeah,
I could have gone out.
he could have go.
We gotta go alone.
I know what you feel like, but he could have go and he could have go.
Decided I was
I
going
will
to
see it.
stay.
Hey!
We ain't bust out yet.
Hurry! Wait. Oh, we in town. There's a bridge down here. It's
This is the port.
a port bridge down.
Pelican Village is further down here.
Oh. Show it, I'll make it float over my hand. I don't like to love bird when people in board.
Please explain what is life?
Mr. Loverman, Shabba. Mr. Loverman, Shabba. Mr. Loverman, Shabba. Mr. Shabba. So, Jalin, explain to me, how are you enjoying your day so far? Alright, what is that you're drinking? Oh, okay. Chad, how are you enjoying your day, sir? Work is beautiful. Right. Welcome to Seattle. This is not a plug. This is not a paid advertisement. This is not a paid advertisement. We're just having fun. This is Reunion Week 2017. Bob. What going on?
I don't know if we're recording. We can see your butt. Pull up your pants. I just back and forth, fam. If we follow through this night, then. How are you? Oh, she's so posh like a video girl there. You won't care. Look, come back for this here, look. I can't buy this back. My man. I just want you to play me. I can't assume what you're on the man.
This man was about to throw me expensive ass Nikon camera. Yeah, man.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are here on the Catamaran cruise. Right now, you're tuning into the fancy living. This is because we live fancy, you know. You gotta rock your Ray-Bans, you gotta got the polo pants on, you know, live good, you know, eat drink in your hand. And you gotta look to the blue skies, man. Blue skies are they're kind of gray right now, but look to those sides. Yeah. Anything can fix that, yeah, for sure. But, hey, this is how you do it.
These two men are in love. He's in love. I think these people here are stranded. I think their boat is on fire. Their boat is on fire. You're in my shot. Their boat is on fire, I think. It was smoking a while ago. I don't know what happened. It was done? Just done.
Entertainment, yes! Alright, hold it back again. Live my life. Live my life.
Alright, coming off the cat right now. That was epic. The rest of this madness is on my Insta story.
Take care, right?
Thank you very much, gentlemen. Yeah. You have to do the cool running store when you come Barbados, man. Have to.
Yes, sir.
Have to. Up the thing.
Yes, sir.
Bless, bro.
Respect.
Yeah, man.
That's the going for there, yeah? What?
Only Barbados you come and see a pirate ship. Kill it though.
listen.
Real rap boxing
That
here.
cruise is... listen. We are the real entertainment team. You see Josiah, Jolan, Shakmed, sometimes Blair.
What do you mean something?
We is the real
Christians
road
don't work
dogs.
today.
We is the real road
The
dogs.
real mafia. You want to see the head scabby color? Look at the head scabby color. That is the scabby.
Chief
That is a rat ass. Not even a rat box. That is a rat ass.
Rat ass. A rat ass. Man, them call me a rat ass. Think from the boat did hype that hours? No. It was hype. Both of the boats were hype.
Nah, come on.
Both
Nah.
boats were hype.
Nah.
Both of it hype. But from the boat couldn't compare to ours. All right, so we leaving the party.
A great sandals.
I
want to try the sandals.
We're moving. What? Wait. What if you have a BMW and it not start, fam?
Man, what yeah, we get back for the
This man clicking out.
Hold on. You got record
The man can't dead as us.
Yeah, man, come on.
Yeah, your light, come on. What? We are about to leave the party, right? That's our party up there. All the way up there. Me and this man say, alright, we'll go get a quick drive home. And the man ain't starting. Pop down. Come on, click it over.
Yo,
It now click over, dog.
my car started up.
The car was start.
Alright.
Yeah, for sure.
Alright, we'll see you.
Yeah.
Later. I don't want to get left on road. I going back for the magic school bus.
Yellow bus.
The yellow bus will never fail.